my hands, but we will not draw it. Let it serve as a decor for the mood. These beautiful leaves lay on the ground at my feet, and I brought them home from the street. Try to guess which leaf will become our mother. Perhaps our choice will be the same. Write in comments. I chose number 2 and we will draw sketch with oil pastels. We will draw sketch in 6 steps. It will be a simple yet atmospheric painting. I take a thick white sheet of paper, but it will be better on a square one. So let's find scissors. "15 seconds of pampering." Cut out the shape as in Instagram. By the way, share your drawings. We will use black, brown, red, orange, as well as light blue and ultramarine blue and white oil pastel. The leaf has a very simple shape. We will outline it. It seems only on top of our leaf is not sharp. Mix these 2 colors to get burgundy. We paint the leaf in red. Do it lightly, like a child, so that the white paper remains visible. In the same way, apply a brown oil pastel over the red. And some more red. With a strong press, draw real highlights with white pastels. Apply light blue on top. And partly dark blue around the edges. Mixing with red, it changes color. My white pastel is soiled. I need to wipe it off. Some more white for shine. add a little brown between the white. Draw a thin line with bright orange pastels in the middle of the leaf. Black will draw depth. So, in the center on the left side, bottom right, and paint a little on the very edge. And now a few amendments. Orange on the edge, red, paint over two large white cups in the paper with brown. I have already drawn the orange streaks of the leaf. Take a look at how it looks up close. Miracle texture. Thin curved stem. Grace of nature. Lightly blend the crescent shape with a black pencil on the stem shadow. Does it look like the original? Be sure to praise yourself. We need to add purple and blue around the edge to make the painting look harmonious. There is a blue color in the leaf, which means it is also needed in the shadows. Now, let's visually separate the leaf from the shadow. Outline the autumn leaf with black pencil. We'll also smooth out the shadow with white pastels to make it look soft. That's all. You take a photo and a new post on Instagram. And I will show you the final aesthetics painting in the video.